Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to find and apply for freelance work on Upwork. First, head over to Upwork and log in. Once you log in, you'll be brought to the Find Work page. Here you can find any work that you may be interested in, depending on what you've previously searched for. If you've never searched for any work, simply click here on Search for Jobs and you can search for anything that you'd like to look for and click on Enter. And now here it will show me all freelance jobs that have to do with video editing. And once you find something that you like, click on it and then click on Apply Now. From here, you need to make sure that you have enough connects. Here you can see that it says that I will have 17 connects after applying for this job, since it's 10 connects and I have 27 in total. To find out more information of what you'll be doing, make sure to scroll down. If there's this bit here saying more, click on it to get the full description of the job. Then you can scroll down and say how you want to be paid. I would recommend by project, as it's just easier that way. And then you can scroll down further. You can set how long this will take. You can add yourself a cover letter or upload one if you have one that will correspond with the job that you're applying to. And then scroll all the way down and click send for however many connects. And that's basically it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below. Thank you for watching.